Today on Rebels Off-Road, we will be unboxing and installing C-Fab's Arched A-ARMS. These come with a 2-inch lift and we will be installing them on our Brute Force. This is part 1 of a 3-part series where we will be unboxing, installing, and giving a full review on this lift kit. And then maybe we'll just have a little bit of fun. Come on, let's go get right into it. Oh no, not my new clean floor! So here we have our C-Fab A-ARMS in box. They're made in the USA, custom made and powder coating to your choosing. They take about 6 weeks or so to get here. That's about 3 weeks to be made, and then 2 to 3 weeks to ship out. So let's get right into it. We're gonna open them up and see what we got. So we got this paper wrapped in cellophane. That is a front. Another front. Got a package of bushings. A rear. And a rear. Some hardware. The bracket lift. And that's it. All right, so let's go ahead and dig into this. So this is the front lift bracket. Gives the front 2 inches of lift. We got these two little brackets here. Not sure what they're for yet, but we'll figure it out. Put those there. Got a bag full of hardware, 2 little spacers, and some bolts, nuts, and washers. So this is our first rear A-arm. It's powder coated blue to match my bike. And I don't know if you can see this, but it's fully welded on either side of the brackets, and it looks like it's very heavy duty construction here. So there we go. This will be our second rear A-arm. There we go. And our first front. These are garage products, bushings for the lower A-arms. So we're gonna have to press those into these lower A-arms, but they're proudly made in the USA. Put that aside. All right. So. guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 where we will be installing these A-arms, and part 3 where we will be giving a full review and having some fun with them. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with C-Fab in any way, so I will try to give an honest and unbiased review of them. But if you want to check them out yourself, I provide the link down in the description. And make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all the action.